Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. It's super handy if you have a premium version of Yahoo Finance. First, open the browser and search for Yahoo Finance. Click on the Yahoo official Yahoo Finance website in the search result. Now, after entering your Yahoo Finance, search for your company which you want historical data of that company. In my case, I will search for Tesla. I want Tesla. Now here you can see the option of historical data on your left side. Click on that. After clicking on here, you have lots of features and filters for if you want from a specific uh, day or month. Click on that. I want 6 months, so I will click on 6 month. If you want to know historical prices, I want to know only dividend only, so I will click on dividend. Now after selecting all your filters, here is here is a tricky part. Previously Yahoo Finance had a handy download button right here, but unfortunately they have been removed it for free users. If you want to download the data, you need to sign in and subscribe to Yahoo Finance premium plan, and that's how you can review or view and customize historical data on Yahoo Finance. If you find this video informative, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.